Greetings and good day. This is Christopher Freese here again at Freese Forge. We have some beautiful northern snow falling on us today. Let's make some runes. So I have some round stock and some square stock. I'm going to try making a few different styles of these, different shapes. I want you to tell me which ones you like best, which ones you like the least. I'm going to try round, oval, square, rectangle, and I'm also going to try one that I haven't seen before, and that is a triangle. I'm going to be using a swage for that. See if I can make triangular shaped stock. I don't know, I've never tried, but we'll find out, and perhaps I'll make a Valnok rune. That'd be pretty cool. Yeah. Among you who are saying, why are you striking one hammer with another? Don't do that, that's horrible. Splinters are going to fly off, you're going to get in the face. Well, I've been waiting until about this long to talk about that, because I'm curious to see as to who's actually watched until this point, and who's going to jump on there real quick and tell me exactly what I'm doing right now. You see, I've already gone ahead and annealed this hammer on both sides. There goes that. surface of metal with another hard surface of metal. Absolutely. But this is no longer a hard surface. I've softened it. Now, I think I was right to use the propane forge today as opposed to the charcoal. I wanted to use the charcoal forge today, but it seemed more appropriate for the charcoal forge for what I'm doing. But at the same time, these little pieces are easily lost. And I just, well, I couldn't see it in my coal forge, my propane forge just now. I had to take a good look for it. It's the same yellow as everything else. So I'm glad I went this way. Now, it's kind of an odd shape, not really square, not really a rectangle. Not sure if I'm going to leave that a little bit, you know, haphazard as it is, but we'll see. We'll see. This is all experimentation. I might consider making some dice. Triangle. This one's kind of neat. It's actually a little pyramid. I'm going to lose that when I forge it. Alright, so I'm going to leave this one. I like this. Made a nice little... It's magnetized. Yeah, that's something. Okay, so these actually turned out fairly well. I quite like these. They are a neat item. They have a very real, tangible feel to them. I don't know how to describe it, but you really feel like you're holding something real. They're neat. I like them. It's pretty cool to be able to make runes out of metal, no less. It's really, really quite interesting. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please do leave a like. Comment, let me know if there's anything that I could have done better in the creation of these runes. I'm sure there is. Okay. They gone? Alright, cool. Don't stop it. Because right now about 95% of everybody else has tuned out. And so if you're still watching this, you're special, and I'm going to reward you for watching all the way through to the end. A special thank you. I have here 5 runes left. 3 of them are spoken for, but I have 5. And so I'm going to send one of these to you. So what you need to do is get a hold of me in the comments of the video, and we can figure out how to get each other. Like, you're going to need to give me your address, right? So probably my Facebook page would be the best way to do that. So send me a message on my Facebook page, comment in the video, or just on the Facebook page. Let me know which one of these you want. So it's first come, first serve. Whoever, we got 5 here, so as soon as the 5 are gone, the 5 are gone. But take a good look at them, see which one you want. Let me know. Comment in the comment section of the YouTube video, or send me a message through my Facebook page, Freeze Forge. The link is in the description. And a special thank you. I'm very happy with these, and I'm very excited that you watched all the way to this point. So thank you. I'm also going to be doing some other things. I'm going to have a live stream coming up soon. Probably the end of this month. I'm going to be able to have Wi-Fi out in the shop here. And so once I have been able to get that, then I'm going to be doing a live stream. I haven't decided what I'm going to be making on that live stream. Perhaps you have some suggestions. I'm open to suggestions. So, thanks for watching all the way through to the end. You're special. You deserve a reward. May the Force serve you well.